Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my midweek video for you guys. So listen, I honestly didn't think this week was gonna be as great. Like, I didn't see any further than Moneymaker CoverGirl, to be honest. Like, I didn't see any further than that. And so it really surprised me. There's been some awesome deals this week. Being able to use the Moneymaker CoverGirl on other essentials that we need, perfect. And so yeah, but today my goal was to try some things, see if how they were gonna pan out. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to ring the notification bell as well so you never miss out a video. Without further ado, guys, let's head in the store and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. All right, guys, and so this very first deal obviously has to be on the CoverGirl. It is on promo, buy 3 get back 10, which is by far the best deal I've ever seen CoverGirl on. And so for this, my store was pretty much almost out of the single pencils for $4.99. So what I did is I grabbed one at $4.99 and then I grabbed 2 of the double packs at $5.79. The total for all 3 will come to $16.57. And then we're using a 4 off of 1 CRT we're all getting. I also had 3 of the $4 coupons from inserts. There's also IPs that expire on the 24th. That's if your store takes expired coupons. That leaves you to pay 57 cents out of pocket. But then you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making it a $9.43 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Garnier Fructis. It is 2 for $8, and it's also buy 2, get back 2. Now for this, we have a 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com that is glitching with the 3 off of 2 digital. So for this, you're going to end up paying 2 out of pocket, and then you're going to get back 2, making it absolutely free. Now we're also grabbing the whole blends. It's the same deal, different promotion. Also 2 for $8, and it's buy 2 get back 2 as well. So for this, we're gonna grab 2. We'll be using a 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. There is also a 3 off of 2 digital as well that is glitching with this. So you'll pay 2 and get back 2, making it absolutely free. Now heads up, these higher price ones, they are a part of the same promotion as well. So definitely grab those over the cheaper ones. All right, and this transaction was perfect. There goes the Garnier at the very top, the whole blends, the CoverGirl, all my coupon scan, my double glitches came off. There goes the CRT for CoverGirl. I rode $4.57 and I walked away with a total of $14. So this deal was a $9.43 moneymaker. Again, I did this twice and both were exactly the same. All right, so I had to do this deal. It's on the Cottonelle. It's 2 for $10, and it's also spend 15, get back 5. So for this, I grabbed 2 packs of the wipes. That's all they had. And we have a $1 coupon you can get when you go to the website. I got mine from my coupon fairy. And then I'm going to also grab a pack of the toilet paper as well. This third item is going to be $5.99, and for this I have a $1 printable that I'm going to use. Now all 3 products should come to $15.99. Using 3 of the printables, I'll pay $12.99. I'll get back a $5 extra care buck. Plus I'll also get back $3.56 from Shopkick, which is going to bring these down to only $1.47 each, which is such an awesome price. I went ahead and did this deal twice, and yeah. All right, so this next deal is on the Shiba cat food. I got this deal from Couponing with Style. She's always doing cat deals for her cat Gray. And since you guys know I'm on a pursuit to like feed the strays in my city, I figured why not? So I'm gonna grab one at $9.59, use this for all the printable. I ended up paying $5.59 out of pocket and getting back $4 on Ibotta, making it $1.59. All right, so next up is the Dove. It is on promo. It's buy 1, get 1 50% off. And it's also buy 2, get back 5. Now, the first one's going to be $5.49. Your second one is going to be $2.75. Both will come to $8.24. I'm using 2 of these printables that I got from my IP Fairy, bringing the total down to $5.24 out of pocket, getting back 5, making them only 12 cents each. All right, next up is Trial and Travel. It is spend 15, get back 3. I've been grabbing the little Cetaphil lotions. They're priced at $4.29. And I'm using a $4 printable that I got from my IP Fairy. IG got me again _IPs on Instagram. That'll bring the total down from $17.16 to $1.16 out of pocket. You'll get back the 3, making this $1.84 moneymaker.
All right, so my next deal is on the Old Spice. I'm not sure why I thought this was buy one, get one 50% off. Maybe because it's always buy one, get 50% off. Anyways, it's spend 15, get back 5 this week. I'm going to go ahead and grab two of them priced at $7.99. The two is going to come to $15.98. Now, we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll bring the total down to $12.98. And then we're getting back $4 in extra care bucks plus $5 on Ibotta. It'll bring them down to $1.99 each, which is not the greatest. But with the 10 off of 70, it'll make it a lot cheaper than that. Next up is Check. It is on sale this week. It's 2 for $14, and it's also buy 2 get back 4. So I'm grabbing a couple of these. I'll be using a $4 coupon from our inserts. Now this coupon is glitching with the digital, which is 5 off of 2, bringing that down to paying 5 out of pocket and then getting back a $4 extra care buck, making them only 50 cents each. Not the greatest, but after that 10 off 70, it's gonna be free. All right, and this transaction was pretty uneventful. It was perfect. Like, everything scanned, all my coupons worked, the digitals worked, the CRTs worked. There goes my 10 off of 70. I rolled $32 in extra care bucks. 95 cents was my subtotal. So what was that? $32.95 out of pocket, and I got back a total of $22 in extra care bucks, which is awesome. 4, 5, 5, 5, and a 3. And then $9 back on Ibotta. Now, I did have to put a ticket in for the Cottonelle, but I should be getting back $3.56, making this transaction a $1.61 moneymaker. All right, guys, we are almost done. If you're still watching, don't forget to smash the like button. So this deal is on the Neutrogena. It's buy 2 get back 5. We're going to grab the cleansers priced at $6.99. So 2 of them is going to be $13.98. I do have a 3 off of 10 CRT I'm going to use. I also have $2 coupons from coupons.com. We also have a digital. You end up paying $6.98, getting back 5, bringing that down to only 99 cents each. All right, so here is a deal that I really wanted to try. It's on the Men+Care body wash. They are 2 for $15, buy 2 get back 2. And so for this, I'm going to grab a couple of these. I'll be using a 5 off of 2 Peely I actually got from Walmart earlier this week. I'm hoping it'll glitch with the digital for 4 off of 2. If it does, we'll end up paying $6 and getting back 2, making it $2 each, which definitely is not bad. All right, and this transaction worked out perfect. There goes the Dove, there goes the Neutrogena. All my coupons scanned. There goes the digital for the Dove Men+Care, 3 off of 10 Neutrogena. I wrote $12.98 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was 0. And then we got back a total of 7 in extra care bucks. So it netted that transaction at $5.98 or $1.49 each. All right, and last but not least, this deal is on the U by Kotex. No extra care bucks back on this, but I did want to try it because we do have a digital and a paper coupon, and I have a CRT. So I figured, why not? So the best combination I could put together for this was going to be to grab 2 boxes of liners at $5.59 for the first one. The second one is going to be $2.80, and then grab a pack of the cheaper liners, which is I think the 18 count, which are priced at $1.89. Now, all 3 products are going to come to $10.28. Again, we're going to use a 3 off of 10 CRT. We're going to use a $2 coupon from our inserts. And then we're hoping it'll glitch with a 4 off of 2 digital. If that happens, then we'll end up paying $1.28, which will then bring these down to only 42 cents each. So I will let you guys know how that works out. And that was perfect, you guys. Like, that was perfect. All right, so there goes 3 products that we got. And there goes a $2 paper coupon. There goes a 4 off 2 digital. There goes a 3 off of 10 CRT. I paid $1.27 out of pocket, bringing them down to 42 cents each, which is definitely not bad. All right, so here is my complete haul for you guys. This looks so amazing. You guys, it's so amazing. Everything worked out pretty perfect today. Like, I didn't have any issues. I went out and did some deals yesterday, finished up today. I think I'm pretty much done. Any other deals I need to do this week, I'll toss into my Walmart video on Wednesday. But for this haul, you guys, all my digitals that needed to apply, applied. All my CRTs that needed to apply, they applied. And yeah, so it was awesome. So I think I used a 10 off of 70 on part of this.
Now, one thing did happen. So with the Cottonelle deal, I did it last night because when I got home Sunday, it popped back up. So I went in and I did it. And then when I went out again today to do it, I scanned it in store, was able to scan both items, was perfectly fine. But when I went to submit my receipt, it wasn't there. So I went ahead and put a ticket in. And so I'm just waiting to see what happens with that. Yeah, so everything here retails $285. I had $186.71 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $98.29. Walk away with $92 in extra hair bucks, $8.56 from Shopkick. Hopefully, if it goes through, that was doing the deal twice. And the kicks did go down. I think yesterday it was $600 and $650, and then today was $400 and $450. So $8.56 from Shopkick, and then $9 from Ibotta. So we're getting back a total of $109.56, making everything you see here free plus $11.27 moneymaker. Now the tax for this was $18.31. So even after tax, it nets everything at about $7, which is not bad because I think it's like 12 cents per item. I have 55 items here. And so this worked out to be really, really good. And as far as CVS so far, you guys, for this week, I have a retail of $495.06. $345.25 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals. Out of pocket, you guys, was $149.81. Tax was $32.55, you guys. So if I combine both hauls, I still make $30, which is awesome. Now that's not including tax. Tax was $32.55. Can't avoid the tax, man, unless you move to a different state. And so even after tax, it nets everything for both hauls at $2.30, which is free. That's just, we don't want to just say that's free because that's a total of how many items? That's a total of 98, almost 100 items. If you count the fact that we got to pay for a 10-cent bag, we're like 100 items, y'all. And so awesome, awesome week. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.